how to set require passcode on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. And enter your passcode. And okay guys, here in Face ID and passcode, scroll down and you can see here the require passcode. So the required passcode is set into immediately. So you can set this by tap the required passcode, and you can set into after 1 minute, after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, after 1 hour, or after 4 hours. So I decide to set the required passcode into 5 minutes. And that's it. Okay, go back and you can see the required passcode is set into 5 minutes. And okay guys, we have successfully set required passcode on iPhone X.